How much cooling should I expect from my evaporative cooling fan? Well, the answer is it varies based on the climate that you're operating. Evaporative cooling works best in dry and arid climates. The less moisture that's in the air, the more moisture the air can hold. So the more evaporation can take place and give you more cooling power. Let's take an example of a hot and dry climate. We've got 100-degree temperatures. Our relative humidity is closer to 20%. We can expect the cooling drop to be 25 to 30 degrees. If we're in a warmer climate, but still lower relative humidity, so 80 degrees, 20% relative humidity, we can still expect somewhere between 15 to 20 degrees of temperature drop. Now, if we're in a hot climate, 90 degrees with high relative humidity, above 50%, we can still expect to see about 10 to 13 degree temperature drop. So the answer is evaporative cooling will give you temperature drops really in every climate, but your available cooling power is really going to depend on the moisture in your air or the relative humidity that you're operating in.